Hey there, this is Arthur Hill, Chief Technical Strategist at TrendInvestorPro.com. It is Tuesday, October 10th, and you are tuned into our YouTube channel. Just a note, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So today we're going to talk about trading the swing within the pattern. Basically, we're looking for a bigger bullish continuation pattern, and then we're looking at the swings within that pattern and trying to time a reversal of a downswing to get the jump on a potential breakout, a bigger breakout. And we're going to use an example with the software ETF IGV. Let's hit the charts. So I'm using Stock Charts ACP today to show the trend composite and the momentum composite. First of all, the trend composite is designed to signal whether you're in an uptrend or a downtrend. And then its momentum side is the momentum composite, which is designed to identify, say, oversold conditions within an uptrend. So if we look at this chart here, this is IGV, and the trend composite is there. It turned positive in February, and it remains positive. It's currently at +5. And that means all 5 indicators in the trend composite are signaling uptrend. And you see the plugins linked in the lower right. Well, if you click on that link, you can learn more about the trend composite and how it works. Now, if we turn to the actual price action, you can see there's an advance that started in November. The trend composite, it's made up of trend following indicators, and those typically lag. But you can see when we got this breakout in late January, early February, it coincided with the trend composite turning bullish. And so we've been on an uptrend since that breakout, and we had a 52-week high there in July. And since this 52-week high, the IGV ETF has been going sideways. It's basically consolidating after a new high. And a consolidation within an uptrend is typically a bullish continuation pattern. And so in the next chart, I'm just going to focus on this consolidation and see how we can trade it. So here's a shorter term chart, and what I've done is I've got the blue lines here, and they are defining a large symmetrical triangle. And a symmetrical triangle is typically a continuation pattern, especially when it forms after a significant move. Here, the prior move was clearly up, and so this makes a symmetrical triangle a bullish continuation pattern. And a breakout here would be bullish and open the door to new highs. Now, within the pattern, we can see 3 swings. We've got a downswing, an upswing, and a downswing. And actually, we have 4 swings now because we have an upswing emerging here with the breakout. And the way we can get a jump on that bigger symmetrical triangle breakout is to trade the signals within the pattern. And so we get this downswing here. We establish support with a couple of bounces, and boom, we get a little breakout, a breakout above that September high, that late September high. So that reverses the downswing and increases the chances that we'll get a symmetrical triangle breakout here in IGV. Now, one more thing to notice on this chart is you can see here, there's the momentum composite hitting -3. That's an oversold condition, a short-term oversold condition. So that's the heads up to look for a potential short-term reversal because you've come down far enough to become oversold. And if you get a reversal, that could give you a good reward to risk entry point. And so we get this little oversold condition alert, and then we get the signal with the breakout there. Now, I covered IGV in the Chart Trader report and video on the 28th of September and today on the 10th of October. And I want to show you that now. So here I am on the home page for Trend Investor Pro, and you can see our offerings there. We have System Trader and we have Chart Trader. And what you're viewing here is a representation of Chart Trader, where we provide broad market analysis. We identify the leaders and the places we want to be, which groups, and we also bring you stock and ETF setups and trade ideas. And here I am on the Chart Trader report and video page. And each report does come with a video explaining the method behind the madness of these reports. And if we go over to the report on September 28th, and I'm going to just scroll down and So here is IGV, and this is what it looked like about 2 weeks ago. You had the downswing, the upswing, and the downswing. And the reason I picked out IGV was it didn't break that September low. So it was showing some relative strength by holding above that September low when SPY and others were breaking down. And I said we could get a triangle here. And so I want to see if we get a reversal of this downswing. And we did get the breakout there with a big surge over the last 4 days to break that downswing. And then in today's chart trader report, I set my reevaluation level for IGV going forward. But the swing has been reversed, and I think that increases the chances of a continuation higher and a breakout from that triangle. All right, so that is it for today's update. I will be back again on Thursday with another update for you. Again, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So thanks again for tuning in, and have a great day.